Hey guys, I wanted to share this Christmas science experiment. So we are wrapping up our learning about gravity and mass, and this science experiment is a hot chocolate and marshmallow science experiment where you can learn about gravity, buoyancy, and density. And so we are finishing up about gravity. So you can make your own lab sheet or you can find something online. But the idea is to figure out why marshmallows float on top of hot chocolate and how can you make your marshmallow sink. So this will teach you about density and gravity. And the reason why marshmallows float on hot chocolate is because they are full of air, and the air in the marshmallow makes the density lighter than the density of the hot chocolate, and so these will float on top. And as I mentioned, the whole idea is to try to see if you can sink your marshmallow in the hot chocolate. Now I will say this, we went through our experiment and we could not make our marshmallow sink. Now the idea is if you squish it and get the air out, the density would increase and the marshmallow would sink. Now it may have been because we were using mini marshmallows. You may want to try large marshmallows, but it just didn't work for us. And my daughter had actually said that whether we squish it or we don't squish it, it would float, and she was actually correct. And so sometimes when you do experiments, things don't work out, but it was okay because she did understand the concept. And so instead of our marshmallow sinking, we used chocolate chips. So we threw chocolate chips into our drink and that sank to the bottom immediately. And we also tried sprinkles, and the sprinkles also were dense and they sank to the bottom of our hot chocolate. So really this experiment was just an excuse to have hot chocolate. I think your kids would love it. My daughter said how much fun this was. Of course, she loves hot chocolate. So you can test it out with different things. And yeah, hope you enjoy.